So this place is called Muntamaya. So that means place of the black snake. So this is part of the dreaming, and so yeah, a really sacred spot. This is a really special, really significant and really sacred animal for us here. So it's an honour and a privilege to be able to look after his country and his place.
Being amongst these rako, these trees, hearing more about the relationship of the people to the environment, we can not only interpret and understand, but we can feel.
All our knowledge and all our culture, all our language, everything that makes Aboriginal people who they are comes from the environment.
The experts from this local area know what this place needs.
There's so many variable health levels of our environment, and when it comes to fire, we don't get many chances to get it right. And that's where this SmartSat project has a lot of value to Indigenous communities.
Earth observation technologies or satellites orbiting the Earth are very useful tools to monitor the flammability of the landscape because they provide a consistent, regular measurement of the land.
For tangata whenua, people of the land of Aotearoa, we've spent many generations within the lands and getting to understand the landscape, the ecosystems, and how to coexist and live with nature.
Science is missing out if it doesn't consider those insights and that knowledge system.
Using this satellite-derived information about flammability and fuel, calibrated with cultural local knowledge, can give us that overview of the readiness of the landscape to burn, and with that we can know and better plan fire mitigation strategies.
So healing the country with fire is to start restoring balance and health back into the environment.